In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete pay periods. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Pay Periods. You should arrive at a list of your pay periods. To add a new one, click the Add button in the upper right-hand corner. First, select the start date for your pay period. I'll go ahead and choose the first Monday of this month. Then choose the duration of the pay period. Right now I have it set for 1 month. Maybe I want every 2 weeks. So I'll click the arrow next to months and choose weeks. Then I will change the duration from 1 to 2. Now you can decide how often you want this pay period to repeat. Is this a one-time pay period, or is this something you want to keep happening over and over? I'll go ahead and have this repeat 3 times. So I'll click this arrow. Underneath repeat will be the pay periods. You can see the first one goes from January 7th to the 20th, the second one from the 21st to February 3rd, and the third one from February 4th to February 17th. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this pay period, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now those pay periods have been created. To delete a pay period, click on that pay period, then choose Delete under Period. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that pay period. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that pay period has been removed. That's how you can add and delete pay periods in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about time in your TeamWork 5 account.